Are you looking for the best Klein Tools measuring tool in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best Klein Tools measuring tool that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the tape measure. The Klein Tools tape measure is a heavy-duty measuring tape featuring an incredibly tough blade that is easy to use and lasts a long time. It provides highly accurate and reliable readings and can be used in a variety of situations to measure distance or size conveniently. With its 13-foot-long standout and durable blade, the Klein Tools tape measure is among the best measuring tools currently available on the market. This blade comes with a heavy-duty nylon coating that protects it from damage, and taking measurements is also easy due to the bold lines on the blade. There is also a steel hook that can be used to attach the tape to steel studs, pipes, conduits, etc. Apart from this, the tape measure has a retraction speed brake, and this retraction brake controls blade speed, which protects fingers and prevents personal injury. The impact-resistant housing of the Klein Tools tape measure is equally impressive and comes with a soft touch finish. This makes it perfect for heavy-duty uses, while also providing an excellent grip for greater convenience. And you can carry it anywhere thanks to the belt clip, which secures the tape measure to pockets, belts, and pouches easily. Up next in the 4th place is the folding ruler. Offering portability and accuracy, the Klein Tools folding ruler is yet another outstanding product from the brand that can be carried anywhere conveniently. It is constructed from high-quality, durable materials and has easy-to-read markings that make taking measurements a simple process, helping save time and effort. Those looking for an easy-to-use yet durable measuring tool are going to love this folding ruler from Klein Tools. Constructed from tough nylon and reinforced with high-quality glass fibers, this tool is highly resistant to weather, chemicals, and abrasion, making it ideal for all types of situations. It is also non-conductive and can be used near sensitive electronic equipment without any concerns. Additionally, the durability is enhanced due to the presence of stainless steel hinges, along with positive locking points that provide additional strength to the ruler. So, you do not need to worry about getting the ruler damaged, even in the harshest environments. It is also easy to read, thanks to the black markings on the yellow surface, and there are even red stud center markings at a gap of every 16 inches. Furthermore, these easy-to-read bold markings are on both sides of the ruler, enhancing the ease of use. The 3rd product on our list is the laser distance measure. Moving on to the next Klein Tool measuring tool, we bring you the laser distance measure, a highly useful tool for measuring length, volume, area, and more. It features a backlit display for low-light working conditions and one-touch measurement that helps save time and effort when taking measurements. If you're searching for a multifunctional measuring tool that provides reliable measurements and is easy to carry, this laser distance measure from Klein Tools is a great choice. It can be used to take measurements up to 98 feet, with an accuracy of plus or minus 1/16 inches. As a versatile tool, it can measure length, area, volume, and even Pythagoras measurements. Whether you need to take single distance or continuous measurements, this device does it all and just requires you to wear eye protection for safety. There is even a depth gauge that measures from inside corners or channels, and you can also toggle between metric and imperial units easily. The backlit display makes it easy to view the readings, making the measuring tool perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, and especially in low light conditions. Finally, the device can store up to 20 measurements, which is ideal for making comparisons. Second on our list is the Fiberglass tape open reel. With its high-quality construction and easy portability, the Fiberglass tape is another one of the most outstanding Klein Tools tape measures. ideal for measuring size or distance. This tool has nickel-plated metal parts that prevent damage and has markings on the front and back sides for easy measurements. The first thing we liked about this measuring tape from Klein Tools was the fiberglass construction that provides it with a very high level of durability. This is complemented by the nickel plating on all metal parts, which protects them against corrosion, and the case also has a rugged construction. Despite that, this is a lightweight tool that can be carried anywhere easily and is very easy to use. It also features a moisture-proof coating of polyvinyl chloride that protects the tape from chemicals or oils and makes it waterproof. Similarly, the hook attaches to a reinforced metal strip, making it a great choice for professional tradespeople. Readability is also excellent, with the black figures clearly standing out on the yellow background, so you do not have to strain yourself. And the tape line is graduated in both inches and feet, so you can easily use the preferred measuring unit. Finally, the top product on our list is the rechargeable laser level. The first thing that impressed us about the rechargeable self-leveling laser level from Klein Tools was its construction. Made from premium materials, the device has a rugged body and comes with IP54 water and dust resistance certification, which means it is perfect for all types of job site conditions. And to keep the device further protected, there is even a plastic hard carrying case, which also makes it easy to carry the level measurement tool. Apart from that, there are highly visible, easy to read bold lines for quick and easy measuring. Then there is the rechargeable battery, which provides the device with a very long, 9-hour runtime on a single charge, and it can be easily removed for charging purposes when the level is not in use. Finally, you get a mounting bracket with mounting threads for easy portability, and the device can even be attached to tool belts for portability. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.